Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of GK, and in today's video we are going to start a new chapter from your general knowledge book. So students, firstly take out your general knowledge book, which is look like this, and open chapter 6, page number 11. So this is chapter 6 from unit 1. So what's the name of chapter 6, students? The name of this chapter is Gifts from Plants. Okay, the name of this chapter is Gifts from Plants. It means the things plants gives us. Okay, the things plant gives us as a present, as a gift. Okay, so what are the things that plant gives us, students? Can you tell me? Plants gives us so many things such as fruits, food, paper, glue, wood, etc. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about these things and we will do some exercises of these things. Okay, plants give us many things like food, paper, glue and wood. So as I told you earlier, plant gives us so many things. Okay, what are the things plants gives us? Such as food, okay, that we eat, paper, okay, paper that we use as a paper, as a notebook, as a book, as a newspaper. Okay, we use it in so many ways. Okay, so it is also given by the plant. So plants gives us food, paper, glue, wood, etc. Okay, so many things are here that plants gives us. Okay, now look at the pictures given below. Circle the things we get from plants. Now look at these pictures, students, in your book. The picture is about the things that plants gives us. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, here are so many things that plant gives us. So you have to just look at these pictures given below and you have to circle the things we get from plants. Okay, so you have to put a circle around the things that we get from the plants. Is that clear? So let's start. Now start with the first one. So first thing, now students, you have to just look at these pictures and you have to put a circle around the thing that we get from the plant. Okay, now let's start with the first one, and the first picture is about, what is this, students? This is a vegetable. Okay, this is a vegetable. Okay, so where do we get vegetable from? We get vegetable from plant. So what you have to do? You have to make a circle around this. Okay, now look at the next thing. What is this, students? This is a food item. Okay, this is a food item. So this is also we get from the plant. So you have to make a circle around it. Okay, now look at the next one. Next one is vegetable. Okay, what is this, students? This is a cabbage. Okay, so you have to make a circle around it. Okay, same as you have to make the circle around the things we get from the plants. Is that clear? Now students, here you can see a fact is given in this chapter. Okay, so what's the fact? The fact is plants also give us medicines. Plants like turmeric and ginger are commonly used in a number of Ayurvedic medicines. So the fact is plants not only gives us the food items and the wood and the glue and the paper, it also gives us the medicines. Okay, it gives us the herbs. Okay, and the turmeric and the ginger is the thing we get from the plant. Okay, so turmeric and ginger are also plants. We use it in a large scale to make the medicine in Ayurvedic. Okay, is that clear, students? Now turn your page and come on the next page. Okay, now here you can see the next chapter is chapter 7. So what's our next chapter, students? Chapter 7. Okay, and chapter 7 is colorful flowers. Okay, so what's the name of chapter 7? The name of chapter 7 is colorful flowers. Okay, what do you mean by colorful, students? Colorful means they have lots of colors. Okay, they have lots of colors. Flowers are very attractive. Flowers are very attractive. They are the most beautiful part of a plant. Okay, so flower is the part of plant. Okay, they are the various shapes, sizes and colors. So plants comes in various shapes, sizes and colors. They are not only one kind of plant, they are not only one kind of flower or any one kind of colors flower. There are so many different colors of flowers. Okay, such as red, pink, yellow, blue. Okay, so some similar flowers are given below. Use the help kit to fill in the spaces. Okay, now here you can see, students, the lots of flowers pictures are given here. You can see, look at these flowers in your book, students. What are these? These are the flowers. Okay, you can see the different shapes and sizes, different colors flowers are here. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So first one is tulip. Okay, first one is tulip flower. Okay, so you have to write their name. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to look at these pictures. Okay, you have to look at these pictures. As you can see, you have to look at these pictures of flower and you have to recognize them. Okay, you have to guess that which flower is this. Okay, you have to guess which flower is this and you have to write the name of flower. Okay, what you have to do, you have to look at these pictures of the flower and you have to guess that which of this flower. Okay, and you have to guess the name of these flowers and you have to write. Is that clear? Now the first flower is tulip. Okay, so you have to write the name of this tulip flower. Okay, so you have to write here in the given box tulip. Okay, so what is the spelling of tulip, students? The spelling of tulip is tulip. Okay, tulip. Okay, so you have to write it in this box. Okay, now the next flower is dahlia. Okay, so you have to write the spelling of dahlia in this given box. Okay, and you can take the help from this help kit. Okay, now move on to the next one. Okay, and the next one is daffodil. Okay, so you have to write daffodil in this given box. Okay, you have to write the spelling of daffodil in this given box. Okay, so what is the spelling of daffodil, students? The spelling of daffodil is DAFFODIL, daffodil. Is that clear? Now the next one is rose. Okay, look at the next picture. Which flower is this? This is a rose. Okay, this is rose. So what is the spelling of rose, students? The spelling of rose is ROSE. Okay, so you have to write the spelling of rose in this given box. Okay, is that clear? Now move on to the next one, and the next one is sunflower. Okay, next flower is sunflower. So what is the spelling of sunflower? You have to write the spelling. Okay, SUN, sun. And what is the spelling of flower? FLOWER, sunflower. Okay, now move on to the next one, and the next flower is lily. Okay, the next flower is lily. And what is the spelling of lily, students? The spelling of lily is LYLILY. Okay, so you have to write here the spelling of lily. Now move on to the next one, and the next flower is gulmohar. Okay, look at the next picture. What is this? This is a gulmohar. Okay, so you have to write the spelling of gulmohar in this given box. Okay, what is the spelling of gulmohar, students? The spelling of gulmohar is GULMOHAR, gulmohar. Is that clear? Now move on to the next picture. Okay, what is this, students? Which flower is this? This is jasmine. Okay, so you have to write the spelling of jasmine in this given box. What is the spelling of jasmine, students? The spelling of jasmine is JASMINE, jasmine. Very good. Now move on to the next one, and the next flower is lotus. Okay, this is a lotus. What is the spelling of lotus, students? The spelling of lotus is LOTUS. Okay, lotus. So you have to write the spelling of lotus over here. Is that clear? Now your exercises are completed, so you have to complete it in your book, and you have to learn these all spellings of flowers. Okay, you have to learn these all spellings of flowers, and you have to complete these all exercises in your book. Is that clear, students? So see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.